Yeah, perfect in your eyes, Nika. But at the end of the day, if I feel like I put on weight and I want to get it off, I'm going to get it off. You know, that's just me. I don't like fat, so get to know me. Yeah, Cutie eat fat. So anytime I see like fat I come, it's I forget stuck and pluck. Thank you. Hi, Storm. Listen to me. Something I need for address pan here. Yeah? I'm gonna listen to me carefully. You see that ear side here? I'm gonna put glue pan all the time, lace front wig, and it tear it out. Don't come from page, come talk about it. If I have lipo money, I must have ear transplant money, but I'm not ready to do that yet. You know what I'm not doing? Come on, no, I go put on lace front. Don't come on my phone. Come trouble my ear side. If y'all can do lipo every year she want, y'all can do ear transplant if she want. Me not ready for do it. I'm not do it. Not for at least front my love. Yeah. There's no point me doing it and I'm gonna be putting on lace front again. Gonna leave me alone. Ear dead, it plat up, see that? It's just thin, okay? It's just thin. I'm under my problem. I want to show you them with them fake page come over here every day. Them sit down watch me hurt up them head, them belly hurt them, and then them come comment, oh, where's your edges? I want to tell her don't worry about my edges, she need to worry about my front ear, which part it in her man teeth. No, I'm going to go on bad my ear till Instagram block me again, you know. Yes, soon I love come over here and trouble me on the dirty fake page people. 100%. I know that you for ask, but just messy. No, that castor oil give me rash. I'm not using it. I love lace front. I'm not gonna stop wear it. So until me ready for stop wear it, that probably gonna be when me a old man. Yes, me gonna stop wear it. Then we say, yeah, I want to show me look at ear, them and something. So we gotta do my ear transplant. And I live with one see, on a lucky. Right? Come over here, tight. Hey, Slay Lab, guys, you lot need to go and follow Slay Lab UK. Remember, she do the BBL over there. She do lip filler, she do a bag of things over there. Go check her out. Hey, boo, love you too. Listen, no, but you know, for stop come over here with the fake page and go on, you know, not chat off on the mouth. It don't make sense. So if you don't like somebody, you see me? I'm not like a girl, I'm not following. I ain't following you. I don't want to see what's going on in your life. I don't want to see your ugly face. I don't want to see your cheap ass clothes. I don't want to see nothing dead for your car. To me, you's a dead girl. I don't want to see nothing boy. So how you have time to come over here and watch me a premiere and then I make remarks? I don't understand. I don't want to rub them, you know. I try to be good this year. When I notice how long I owe my mouth, I even run from life, I don't want to rub them. I don't want to rub nobody where look cripple. I don't want to rub nobody where look batch. I don't want to rub nobody where still can't do them saggy breasts where I dead for do it. I don't want to rub, no. Please, leave me alone. Make me do what I do. Not at all. They can't. Very obsessed with me.
Yeah, 100%.
Very obsessed with me. I pay them no mind. But yeah, me patcho, please. Leave me be, yeah? Kwasia. Man, you're rough. Man, you're rough. And if you don't know what that means, go ask your Ghanaian friend. Kwasia. Babes, can I have some music, please? Not even saggy breasts, a fluxy breasts them have. Big up yourself, Miss Wang. You're debut. Hey, girl. God. Like them didn't want your stop nothing for me. For them come take up my body and near me.
Just look at Baba. See the music, just a free them, I ain't farmer. If you don't like me, move the fuck, oh yeah. Yeah, I want to.
A different type of life. Remember, if me have lipo money, if me have tummy top money, if me have breastless money and implant money, then me must have blood clot ear transplant money. Move and go on here. You see me take plane like a blood clot bus. Me not even drive my car no more. A peer plane me I take. Remember when I say me not steer.
Don't take too long, man's got.
Looking at my life, I know I find you. Never said I'm your dad, like that's suicide note. That's one thing that I know, I'm gonna find you. This life is like a quicksand, I'm gonna find you. Fuck the music, let me sell some weed, I wake up by go. Life rough, but man, I try coke, and mama try short. And I'm gonna use the king, we just walk, man, I buy go. Bust the page, man, don't touch the stage, and swim some my own. Look how hard, the switch up on the thing, but me no cry for guys support. I stick in them face, I make them fight for life support. And all love, not no more. I stick with them, it's not bring me down, I'm fuck up the door. Never want to know what I'm about before. One side, give my blessings and my God, I'm live high. And when my wings are broken, we still fly. If you don't move the mountain, you still try. And my system of chosen. Me never forget the God, I'm live by. With my blessing at the road, I'm not in fly. Keep my eyes open, still fly. When my wings are broken. I fully out of. Never see face at the road. The me when I am chapel, man, I really bring up.
Alright, I need some more lip filler. Look at my lip, it's gone down. I miss my swollen lips. I don't know what kind of boring song that man in here play. I can't vibes to this. I don't know all my vibes to them old man junior. I can't do this.
I'm gonna try size up. Oh, some nice man. Right. Uno like that. Food for the charity.
Who they talk me as they say them brought like that? Food for the charity.
I'm gonna try size up. Some nice man.
Size up. No, come my bitch, come size
That's
up.
disrespectful.
Very
disrespectful. Shut your mouth. Nobody say nothing. Mommy say no trust.
the man no song more than me.
Fool in the fight. Uno like that. Food for the charity. Mad me, I'm mad on the blood. Granny would have said, glad don't me no friend. People bad mind, full of envy. I show them battery, but charge like battery. Bricks big house. This 6 bars. Tell them we no play, we no ram murder. Everything that pussy die in a station. But we here, we ready. On the black, I want to know what we pander. In my belly like when you say take and gone at the bank. Battery, charge like battery. Bricks big house. Got this 6 bars on the money me a meds and them want see me mash up. Tarnish me name come like Kuno gas up. See who no back up. Shut up, boy. Say man no killer. El Chapo be a scammer. Be a top killer right. That's what we cause they a jail me come liar me got you. Millions to make likes. Me do me like a family. Busy din din. Hand chop up your vintage. Me jam up your body face. Tree, me jam.
That's the album I eat, so I don't want to judge me.
I got this 6 bars on my clean now.
Big tune. Say what? Say what? Say what, you know? Wait, play the Taliban after this one. What them feel like?
Same on ya, same football. Same medal if him body in the bush. Boy, must feel like joke, my for them no stush. 7.9. And I know we look can't come as being torn. Nothing funny you that tell up. I'm to the fool. No, I do it. Boy, them come and make you a call. I'm ready for them.
I can't believe I missed this guy and he was in the UK. I should have waited.
No make a call on the bar for me name. Berry boy, you know, it's close to the grave. Pussy all around the people feel on the brave. Have copy dog, bleach in a tree for years. Tree clip load, make a ton upon you. 7.62, just like barely yours. I wanna send me through, we have some wanna making yours. Searching them, my last, them, my hell, and all the mirrors. Squeeze the trigger on the bomb, I might got a pointy. Knock up with the 40, got a 90. Clip full of red.